Let's unbox Stephanie's 20 mini bags order Ed from the US together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Lucky color, black. White. White. White match. Give one more. Blue. Yellow. White. Blue. Blue match. Give one more. Pink. Black. Lucky color. Give one more. Green. White. White match. Give one more. Purple. White. Yellow. Yellow match. Give one more. Yellow. Black. Lucky color. Give one more. Purple. Purple match. Give one more. Blue. Pink. Pink match. Give one more. Black. Lucky color. Give one more. Yellow. Yellow match. Give one more. White. White match. Give one more. Red. Yellow. Pink. Pink. Pink match. Give one more. Orange. Purple. Blue. Blue match. Give one more. Green. Green match. Give one more. Red. Red match. Give one more. White. Pink. White. White match. Give one more. White. Purple. Purple match. Give one more. Blue. Black. Lucky color. Give one more. White. White match. Give one more. Orange. Duplicate. Replace. Orange match. Give one more. White. No match. Gifts. One bag charm. Did anyone count how many we got in total? See you.